Hi, son. I've missed you. It's so nice to feel that on my skin again. So some of y'all have wondered what these corals look like before you cut them. Well, I've got a few right here that we're gonna cut right now. This bigger guy right here, I'll see if I can get through it on my saw. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to, but hopefully it feels pretty light. I'm hoping it's hollow. We can see some agate banding, some signs of agates going on in here. This one, interesting shape. It'll be a fun one to cut. I think I'm just going to cut the face off right here and see what's inside of it. And then this last one, they all look pretty. I can't even talk. They all look pretty plain and drab, just like this. But let's see what they look like inside. All right, so these are all cut. Let's see what they look like. I haven't looked at them yet, so we'll be seeing for the first time together. How pretty is that? I don't have any water pressure right now to really wash these out, unfortunately. I'm still trying to recover from the massive freeze we had. And here's number two. This one I just cut the face off here. Ooh, gonna have to wash that out. We got a lot of mud in there. That took a little while, but I did finally get it all done. And man, it is gorgeous. I'll get some better pictures here at the end. Really pretty agate in there, though. And the last one, a little too big for my saw, but I was able to get where just enough. I still have a little bit of a, I don't know if you can see right there, a little bit of that bar. That's what was left there. Take a fish spatula, actually, stick it in there, and you can gently turn the fish spatula. You can pop it open. That's what I did. So let's see what we got. Oh wow, how pretty is that? All right, let me get this cleaned off now. So here's what we got all cleaned up. And of course, I'll have to get that high spot that I had to leave on from the saw taken care of. But how pretty is that? That's why I love this Agatized coral. It's just so cool. You just don't know what you're going to end up with. Anyway, I'll put some pictures here at the end. Hope y'all enjoyed this.